Hayi bafethu sibuyile futhi another video bafethu sibuyile futhi. So Poppy Ramathuba wants South Africa to adopt China's tough immigration checks citizens waving. So Poppy Ramathuba is the premier of Limpopo, if I'm not mistaken. So now he says John the bandwagon of March and March that we need to be strict on the illegal immigration. Dr. Poppy Ramathuba filmed herself going through China's strict biometric entry process at a Beijing airport. Come on, you guys have been traveling because these people are campaigning for real. You guys are campaigning. Don't you know, guys know that every country, even in Africa, African countries are strict on this immigration thing, guys. On their laws, they put their citizens first, Baba. The Limpopo Premier noted that South Africa needed tough immigration checks to prevent illegal immigration. Ramathuba's comments sparked a heated debate online, with some pointing out that a government official made them. And about Kulmingati, they speak like they in average show, like they're not in government. They don't speak like the people who are setting the rules and everything. Dr. Poppy Ramathuba sparked a lively online debate after sharing a video of herself navigating China's biometric airport entry process in Beijing. The premier The Limpopo Premier arrived in Beijing on 2 August 2026 for the South Africa-China Energy Infrastructure Investment Mission. Now, I always ask myself, when these people meet their counterparts, European counterparts, Chinese, Asian counterparts who put their citizens first, what are they bragging about? When China is bragging that we've built this for our people, when when the Eastern Cape has no toilets, there's no roads. Like when I was, where's your pride? These people like. There's no sense of pride there. I'm accompanied by member of Executive Committee for Economic Development, Environment and Tourism, Dr. Chitereke Matibe. The Premier can be seen queuing at her self-serving fingerprint self-collection kiosk at Chinese airport arrivals. And Chinese population is huge, billion plus people, but they managed to lift their people out of poverty. So no people who are less than 100 million. Dr. Ramathuba wants such a system in South Africa. While going through the process, the Premier was filmed scanning her passport and submitting her fingerprints, commenting that South Africa should adopt a similar mandatory system for all people entering the country. There's no borders at all. There is no way that you are coming without it, she said. There is not all what we are asking for in the country. Everybody must go through. So Gabo Poppy guys are speaking like they us. They are us. They don't speak like people who are running our things. And then Nina guys will be voting the same people who are not seeing themselves as the authority. SA border control debate heats up. The Premier remarks hit a nerve with many South Africans who have long called for tighter border controls and stricter immigration enforcement. Some were quick to point out the irony of a government official appearing to distance herself from policies her own party has overseen for decades. That's my point, my people. That's my point exactly. You cannot speak like uSimthembile uhleli elokishini while you run things now. Shiluva Nkuna said, that's what we're asking for in our country. It is very important. The Pulane made to wrote the this is all we ask for line is funny coming from a government official acting like she's just another citizen. My point exactly. Sivangu said, I don't know why such basic decency of entering other countries legally should even be debatable. Come on, guys. It's even like logic. This is basic logic. Curtis Gazwide noted the border is porous. Doesn't help if the border is leaking and folks are taking bribes, risking our lives and their kids' lives as if they stay there by the border. Hey. Deputy neighbor agreed the problem is our open borders and our visa tracking system. This will not work for us if we can't track visas. People overstay because there is no tracking system. No Filter Corner commented, it is really disappointing that she does not seem to be aware that it is the ANC who has gotten us into the situation we are in. They know, guys. They know. They're just acting up, these people. They know. They signed for these things. Or some of them they don't know because they're new to the ANC. But the older people in the ANC, they know everything they sign. unless they were just blind. Anyway, bafethu, please comment down below, please subscribe bafethu, let's go to the channel. This is Azan in Politics. It's your boy Simthembi. See you in the next video.